So just a quick eBay boot latch replacement. So in this piece of chrome trim here is your trunk slash boot latch handle, which is like a button press thing under there, along with your number plate or license plate lights. On this one we've got the lens covers missing, and this rubber for the handle has worn out and the handle no longer functions as it should. So today we're going to replace it. Quick easy job using this eBay replacement. We're going for gloss black. The car's black, obviously it won't match the colour, but it just takes away some of the chrome. Now what we're going to try and do with this car is retain the belt line chrome, but just take away some of the accents so it's not really in your face chrome kind of thing. So under here there is 4 Torx screws, one there, one there, one there, and another one there. I can't remember what size they are, but they are Torx security bits or star bits, whatever you want to call them. And you just undo them, this pulls off, and then behind that there is this little plug, and that's what goes into the car. It's a really nice simple job, takes about 5 minutes, and real easy. Anyone can really do this, to be honest. So we'll literally just undo these, quick and easy. I won't lie, I've already had these ones out, so I know they'll come out, but when the first time you take them out, they will probably be sort of seized in because of these coarse thread type, and they tend to sort of bond to the plastic a little bit. Now the problem this has been causing is the boot or trunk hatch will actually pop open whilst driving. It doesn't raise up, but it just pops the catch, and that's really inconvenient at the best of times anyway. So a quick and cheap eBay replacement. I think this one was £35, which isn't a lot. I don't know what that'd be in dollars, $45, something like that, I think. I'm not great at conversions, so, but it's a very simple job. You see, it just comes down like that, and then you inevitably drop that screw. And this is the plug. Now the plug is very, very awkward to undo. So there you go. That's the little clip, 3-pin. So we'll pop that down there. The new one, check it's going to line up, so that always helps, because you never know, sometimes these things really are a terrible fit. So again, it's got that little locating tang on the side of the plug. Just plug that in like so, wait for the click, line up the trim, and wait for the bit that doesn't fit. That's as good as that's going to be. And then we just reinstall the screws. Like I said, nice and easy, 5-10 minute job. Anyone can do it, it's as easy as changing the bulb. So once we've got these screws in. I'm going to put the two end ones in first and then just check that the latch actually functions as it should, rather than putting all the screws in and dropping them everywhere. This one's putting up a bit of a fight. I shake, so it makes doing fiddly things very difficult for me. Right. Oh, look at that. The irony of that is that's the first time that handle's worked since my partner Carrie has owned the car. And that is 7 years now. So there's a bit of irony to it. But we decided to fix this car up rather than replace it, because what was on the market available as a replacement was not really any better. And for half the price we could fix this and make it a nice little car again. So sometimes just recycle and reuse. It's nice to have modern cars and that, but honestly this isn't that old really, and it works perfectly well. Granted, it's been a fair bit of work to get here. There we go. Right, let's check the number plate lights. And we've got another plate lights. So there you go, a quick, easy and cheap replacement for the boot trunk hatch handle trim, and it solved two other problems with that as well. It looks cleaner, and we now have functioning number plate or license plate lights. So fantastic. See you in the next one.